to the sweet sugar snap peas. Did you know? Well, let me just show you the back. Look at the back right here. Follow along. It's a cross between an English pea pod and a snow pea. You also get in this package carrots, of course, because kids love them, summer yellow squash, and for color we added some red onions here. I have some helpers. Hello, helpers. Ava and Miley. All right, snap peas. This is so great because you know what? Kids may not like green beans or other types of beans, but let's kind of trick them with the snap peas. Everybody get one in your hand. Somebody already started. One, and we're going to bite them on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Is it sweet? Mm-hmm. Tasty? Mm-hmm. Are you going to eat more? All right, here's the thing. After the kids get done, eating them and, have them try it because it's really, really tasty. You want to saute this either in some water or some olive oil. Just toss it around in a hot saute pan for about 3 minutes. Give it a few shakes. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 and ready to serve. There, it's going to be a beautiful side dish here with some tilapia. Who has some lemon, and why are you eating the lemon, lady? Lady, take some lemon and maybe squeeze some juice, please, over the sauteed vegetables. Very nice. You're so talented. You're going to be future chefs. I love that. Yummy. All right, what are you waiting for? Put it in your basket. Have fun with the kids, and let's get cooking.